if a student has chosen operations and if he's interacting with faculty members or industry experts who are from Amazon, and they are talking to them about how robotics is changing the warehousing, right? That is exciting. So hi, my name is Vaibhav. I look after academic operations at Sunstone. We're going very strong and very, very excited to open a lot of campuses this year. We help students cater to the challenges which are both at personal level and professional level through our team. We have a set of campus managers who are there. We have the student success team who are there. Then we have faculty mentors. We have training and development mentors. So there's a connect with every individual students at Sunstone, and that is how they are able to solve most of the challenge further. So the moment a student comes in, we have like huge number of students studying, right? So most of the problems get solved through peer groups itself, right? The community that we have built of seniors, alumni, and the current batch. So see, that is very, I would say easier, easy to solve, because see, why can't students focus, attention span? It is because they have not understood what is the importance of studying A versus B versus C, right? So the moment, you have the industry interactions, for example, if a student has chosen operations and if he's interacting with faculty members or industry experts who are from Amazon, and they are talking to them about how robotics is changing the warehousing, right? That is exciting, right? And automatically they get focused on that. And these are like small examples, because if you see traditional education elsewhere does not give you the exposure. You are studying operations, but why are you studying operations? What are the job possibilities out of if you study operations, right? What is the industry doing? What are the changes that is happening? How you can align your career path to those different changes is what a teenager needs to know. This is one of the best parts of your MBA journey, right? If you didn't have those sleepless nights, trust me, when I talk to my MBA friends today or my college friends, this is what we discussed. You remember that assignment that we had to do and we were up till 4 a.m., 5 a.m., right? So this is something, when you cross the bridge, you start cherishing more, probably not at the time when you have to wake up after just 2 hours and attend your classes for the whole day. But these are some memories that you will definitely take back. So I feel very, very happy, overwhelmed at times. And this is happening, almost every day that students are connecting and telling us about their placement, not only about their placements, more importantly about, they were the top performer of the month. So a few days back, I remember this girl, Manali from NIT, who sent me a message that, she was the top performer for her team for that particular quarter. So that was like amazing.